Well, it's a fantastic night because GVmedia, who published The Gleaner and The Voice, are tonight launching their photo exhibition, which will commemorate 50 years of Jamaica. It will be present and correct, as they say, at the Jamaica High Commission, and then it will go on tour. And what it will do, it will sort of capture some of the magic moments in athletics, track and field history in terms of Jamaica. We look at Usain Bolt today, but there's been so much going on in terms of Jamaican track and field athletes in the past. So the exhibition basically encapsulates all that's good, but more from a historical point of view. When they made Merle Notty, they threw away the mould. I mean, if you look at her career, you know, a great Jamaican athlete. At the end of the day, she tried so hard and failed early in her career when she was representing Jamaica. And as you quite rightly said, yeah, she is still competing. And I think it proves what a sort of tenacious spirit she has and the sort of tenacity that Jamaican track and field athletes have generally, because not many people know. They look at Usain Bolt today, breaking world records and entertaining crowds, but he, you know, if you look at his size and his frame, he's not built for 100 metres, he's built for maybe 400 metres or even long distance running. But he, in the early part of his career, suffered many serious injuries, but he's bounced back to be the athlete that we know today. There are so many magical moments in terms of Jamaican sport. I mean, I've got to talk about what Ricardo Gardner's done at Bolton Wanderers. He's had a 10-year career there and been absolutely fantastic. It's also been a case of France '98 when Jamaica qualified for the World Cup and Robbie Earl scored their first World Cup goal against Croatia. And you've also got Usain Bolt, haven't you, in Beijing in the famous bird's nest, you know, breaking world records, entertaining people and doing the archery impression. So there are many, but those two stand out for me. Okay. Well, in terms of the blacklist, that will take place in October. It's not something we've looked at the moment, but I think in Jamaica's 50th year, we definitely have to look down and look at the contribution of Jamaican footballers. And there are Jamaican footballers that have obviously represented the Reggae Boys, but you've got people like John Barnes, who's represented England. You know, there is so much in terms of Jamaican football that we can look at, and we'll certainly take a view on it. So I would imagine that come our awards in October, it will be dominated by Jamaica, I would say.
Festival Jamaica!
Festival Jamaica 2012 at the Maryland Complex, Buxton Road, Stratford, London E15 1SL. Buy tickets at all the usual outlets, online, or call 0203 137 3055 or 07528 276 796.
Jamaica to the world. 2012.